can even see me. It's all that is needed to be on
Crap going on. No book for her.
I'm just saying I need. Yeah, fine that you call and you talk to the girl.
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know, my name is Taylor and theeetaylorsimone, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, as y'all can see by today's title, it's going to be a fall maintenance vlog. So my house now, y'all, I'm literally just now starting it off. It's early in the morning. It's 7:11 and your girl is tired. I'm about to go to school, but today's the first day of my maintenance vlog. Today I have a hair appointment at 4:30, and then maybe either tomorrow or Saturday I'm gonna have my nail appointment, and next week I have my lash appointment, and then I go on my trip. Next Wednesday. So yeah, y'all definitely stay tuned for all of that content. I'm gonna try and vlog as much as possible at like the airport and stuff. I don't know how all of that's gonna go yet, just because it's gonna be my first time vlogging at the airport. So I don't know everything just yet. Like, I don't know if I could pack it or not. Like, I'm gonna pack my camera, but I don't know if I could, like, you know, and all that just yet. So yeah, just kind of bear with me. I'm gonna try and get as much content as possible. I know my schedule has kind of been really hectic. I just been between work and YouTube, it be back and forth. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get back on my game with the editing and like getting the videos out as soon as possible, like on time, because I feel like I don't really do a good job with that. Like, I'll be like, I'll post on Tuesday and then baby, I ain't even start editing. So yeah, but I just want to come on here and let y'all know, you know, start off the video. If you've never seen my face before, my name is Taylor. Once again, make sure y'all follow my Instagrams. It's gonna be on the screen and in the description box below. So yeah, I'm sorry about my dry energy, y'all. I'm really tired and I don't want to go to school, so that's kind of what we working with. But I'm gonna see y'all either after school. I'll update y'all, or when I'm about to, you know, go to my hair appointment, and or at the hair appointment. So yeah,
I'll see my world with you. I'll be honestly, open your eyes and see. You need.
hey besties, so your girl just got back home. Well, not just I probably got home like an hour or two ago from my hair appointment. As y'all can see, your girl just got a little maintenance on her sewing. Sorry, I'm trying to take off my little thing on my phone, but I just got a little sewing maintenance. Your girl ate. She ate. I'm gonna make sure I put her info in the description box below, so y'all can go book with her. Oh, why I feel like every time I record, some music come on. Like, y'all trying to get me copyrighted. Like, girl, bye. I feel like I didn't get as much content as I did the last time I went. It's okay, because we was like more so talking way more this time. So yeah, we was just having fun, chilling, you know, girl time for real. But I'm glad I did get enough. I got some content, but I don't think I got too much content. So that was that. Right now it's currently 9:30 or going on 9:30. I'm about to wrap my hair and go to bed because I have a test tomorrow at school, and I also have to go do something after school tomorrow. But I don't know if I'm gonna get my nails done. I don't know if I'm gonna get my nails done tomorrow or Saturday, but whenever I do get my nails done, I'm not gonna get my toes done because I already have them done, but I'm gonna get my nails done, and either tomorrow or, like I said, Saturday. So whenever I do get my nails done, because that's next, and then my lashes are on Tuesday, and I already got my eyebrows did. I need to like brush them, but I already got them did, so not worry about that. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna pick up the camera when I go get my nails done. I like that. That's good, yeah. Hey besties, wait, I don't know why my camera looks so zoomed. Hey besties, I literally only have 11 minutes on my SD card, so I'm trying to make this quick but not quick, you know what I'm saying? It's Tuesday, September 7th. It's 12:12. I have a lash appointment today at 4:30 and I'm up packing. So yeah, I decided to just combine my maintenance vlog into, I got Jade in the back too. I decided to combine my maintenance vlog into my packing prep too, because I just feel like doing it in 2 different videos is gonna be hectic. So yeah, I got my suitcase over here and my carry-ons over there, and I just have a whole lot of crap going on here, so I'm trying to straighten it up for y'all, and then I'm gonna show y'all everything I'm packing. I'm not gonna show y'all my outfits until I probably get there, or until I post on the gram, but we'll hash that out later. Right now we're just doing the whole packing part. So yeah, I have 10 minutes on my SD card, and I don't know why, but I do know why at the same time. I just feel like my clips weren't that long, but they are, but now I gotta go through it and all that and do all that. It's a whole lot of, but yeah, I'm gonna straighten this out, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm putting my outfits in my bags and getting them in the suitcase. Hey besties, so today is last day, and it's the last day of my maintenance slash pack and prep with me. I leave tomorrow to go to Houston, and I might vlog or I might try and get footage, but I don't really know if I might do a reel instead, put it on a vlog, but I don't know. I'm trying to get whatever content I can. My SD card is acting a fool. It's saying it has 7 minutes, but I'm gonna figure all that out because we don't have time to, it don't, like, no. Now it's at 6 minutes, but yeah, it's 4:18. My appointment's at 4:30. I'm about to leave. I just want to come on here, update y'all. The lighting might not look too good, but I just want to come on here, update y'all before I left to go to my lash appointment. Okay, y'all, I just got done with my lashes, and she always eat, of course. I'm trying to hurry up and show y'all before I get copyrighted. That's my little fit. Chill. Hey besties, okay, so right now, oh sorry, my bag has been trying to fall on me all night. Right now I'm finishing up packing. I showed y'all my lashes in my last clip. They ate as per usual, but I'm finishing up packing. I had to fix my SD card, so now it says 3 hours on it, and I put my tripod in my bag already, so that's why I don't have it on my camera. It's 8:27 right now. My flight in the morning is at like 7, but we're gonna get there at like 5. You know how it is. Y'all know how it is. I'm finishing up packing. Let me show y'all what I got. Yeah, I'm almost done for real. I got all my outfits and stuff already in here. I did this last night just so I wasn't really stressing. I got my Sol de Janeiro, my carry-ons right here. I'm gonna pack that. And so y'all me packing that. And my mom's finishing up her packing right now. I'm just really trying to make sure that I pack everything accordingly. Hold on, focus. Hello. Yeah. So yeah, right now I'm about to show y'all me packing my my carry-on right now and show y'all what I'm gonna put in my carry-on and all that. Obviously some stuff is not gonna be in my carry-on because, you know, like my what is it called, my toothbrush and my deodorant, I'm not gonna put it in it tonight obviously because I'm gonna be using it in the morning. So yeah, that's what we're working with right now. Everything else is kind of to the T. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing in the morning. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing to the airport tonight, and then yeah, and then tomorrow starts a new vlog. I'm excited, y'all. I'm just really tired. I had a long day of just doing work and filming. My video is going live on Thursday, November 9th. November 9th. So when y'all see this, it's gonna be after that video. So make sure y'all go back and watch that if y'all haven't already. Yeah, so without further ado, we just gonna roll into this clip and I'm gonna finish packing up for y'all. Okay, y'all, so I try to get as much clips as I can. I didn't get too much just because I packed a majority of it last night. So yeah, I was just really packing the last bit of the stuff that I had right now. Yeah, right now it's 8:42. I'm about to show y'all exactly what I'm wearing tomorrow. To the airport, I'm wearing my Adidas, this black tight tee or whatever, and then these green pretty little thing pants. Of course. I should be really comfortable. I think that's really it. The only thing I do have to pack is my camera, but it's gonna go in my carry-on anyway. So I got all my chargers except my phone charger right now because I'm not taking my iPad because I'm taking my computer. Only thing I don't have right now is my phone charger, which is obvious I'm gonna use tonight. My jewelry, of course, I'm gonna use my Apple Watch, and then my deodorant and my toothbrush. So that's really all the stuff I didn't pack just yet, just because it's gonna go on my carry-on. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here, right now. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all tune into my last video that just uploaded, and make sure y'all tune into my next video because my next video is going to be my vacation vlogs. So definitely stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all follow my Instagrams. Make sure y'all follow my Instagrams and all my social medias to keep up with me. I don't like this lighting. I'm gonna just hold it because I don't really like this lighting. Yeah, make sure y'all follow my Instagrams and all my social medias to keep up with me while I am out. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure y'all turn on them post notifications to get notified every time your girl posts. Thank y'all for watching this video once again, and I'll see y'all in my next one.